Hi everyone. In this video, we will study about plasma membrane, and I'm covering BSc First Sem Unit 1, which is Structure and Function of Cell Organelles Part 1. I'm going to start with a simple definition, and later we will discuss more about this topic in the upcoming videos. Starting with a simple definition, the plasma membrane, also called cell membrane, is a thin, semi permeable membrane that surrounds the cytoplasm of a cell and separates the internal contents from the external environment. This was an easier definition. Now I'm going to give you another definition, which is a little detailed. So, the definition is the plasma membrane, also known as cell membrane, is a thin, flexible, semi permeable membrane that forms the outer boundary of the cytoplasm in both plant and animal cells. It separates the internal contents of the cell from the external environment and regulates the movement of materials into and out of the cell, thus maintaining a stable internal environment, that is, a condition called homeostasis. There are two words which I want to discuss with you guys. The first one is semi permeable membrane, and the second is homeostasis. These might look new or extraordinary, but they aren't. Let me explain it to you. A semi-permeable membrane is also known as selectively permeable membrane. The name itself says that it acts like a selective barrier, which means it is a membrane that allows or permit only certain molecules or ions to pass through it, while restricting others. Basically, it chooses what can go in or out of the cell. Whereas homeostasis is derived from Greek words homeo, which means same, and stasis, which means state or condition, meaning same state. That is, homeostasis is the process by which a living organism or a cell maintains a stable, which is same, internal environment despite changes in the external environment.
Suppose this is a cell. This is for you to visualize things. This is a cell and इसके बीच में ऐसा न्यूक्लियस होगा. सेल वॉल प्रेजेंट होगी if plant cell है, and if not then cell wall present नहीं होगी. But this is the boundary which is known as cell membrane. ये cell membrane होती है, which is also known as plasma membrane, जिसके बारे में हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. ठीक है. तो बेसिकली सेल मेम्ब्रेन हम लोग ने पढ़ा. इट हेल्प्स टू रेगुलेट्स द मूवमेंट ऑफ मटेरियल्स इन एंड आउट ऑफ द सेल. एक्सटर्नल इन्वायरमेंट हो गया. एक्सटर्नल ये एक्सटर्नल इन्वायरमेंट हो गया. अंदर इंटरनल इन्वायरमेंट होती है, या आप इसको कह सकते हो कि साइटोप्लाज्म होता है. तो इट कवर्स द साइटोप्लाज्म. ये भी समझ में आ रहा होगा कि साइटोप्लाज्म को कवर क्या करता है, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, which is also known as cell membrane.
Till now, you might have got an overview about plasma membrane. We will study about the structure in the next video. Till then, you can have this screenshot or you can take note of this discovery content. It will help you. Thank you.